Hey guys, it's Chef Jason Morris, and welcome to today's edition of Ace This Recipe. Hanging out in the barbecue trailer today. It's a little cold here in colorful Colorado, so we thought we'd hang out here. You can see the steam coming off this amazing turkey. Today, we're going to be talking all about how to slice the turkey. I'm more of a show everybody the turkey so they can see it, and then slice it up, put it in a pan so everybody gets a chance to get through the Thanksgiving buffet and get to eating a lot faster. So we're going to give you just a couple tips today on how to slice your turkey and really make the best turkey slices possible while maintaining a little bit of the bits and pieces that are on here to help you with some amazing Thanksgiving leftovers as well. So thanks for joining us. Let's get down and dirty and get this turkey broken down. Well, before we get carving the turkey, one of the things that's going to be important, obviously, is your knife selection. So, a couple different knife options. We've got kind of a slicer or a scimitar. This is going to do a really nice job as well, but I like a little bit smaller knife, so I'm actually going with kind of a boning knife because I want to be able to get along that breastbone and slice down and then carve it. This gives me a little bit better control as well. I like a pair of tongs just to help me hold the turkey, some gloves as well so I don't have my hands all over everybody's turkey, and then a pan. Why a pan? Well, I want to be able to put a little bit of the white meat and the dark meat, set that down on the countertop, and now everyone has a chance to really come through and grab what they need. That is instant gratification, and to me, that's what slicing turkey is all about. So let's get up close here now and walk you through a little bit of how we slice it, and then we'll show you how we break down the leg and use that to pull a little bit of dark meat as well. So let's get up close and personal. It is time to slice the turkey. So the first thing I did was I have kind of a concave cutting board, and that's one of the cutting boards that we sell at Ace. I like it because it's going to hold all the juices in there. Now, first thing I'm going to do is feel for that center of the breastbone, right? I'm going to cut along on both sides. Sorry about that. I'm going to cut along on both sides and slice down a little bit. What I'm trying to do is work that breast a little bit loose because now I want to go across this way and make my slices. I can make them as thin or as thick as I want. And again, if I need to hold it with tongs, you know, I can hold the bird there and keep my hands out of the way. But look at that. We're getting some beautiful slices out of here. Now, I want to get that all ready and set to go and get these slices because that is going to be the white meat that everybody's looking for. But now, let's say we've got some of the dark meat fans. What I will do is I'll make sure the leg is separated down there. Sometimes they hold it together with a little flap of skin. Listen for this. All I want to do is separate that the leg joint from the thigh, right? And once I get that off, which is right here. Once I get that all separated, look at that. Now I have the ability to go through and pick off any of the dark meat as well. We've got some beautiful smoke color on this as well. That dark meat did fantastic, but it's pretty quick and easy. The nice thing about it, look at this. Let me show you this here. You can get all these tendons off as well. So when you're pulling the leg, look at, I can take that non-desirable piece and set that in the pan. Or set that in the trash, right? Because we're not going to use that. And then that way I've got a beautiful, usable trim slice pieces in the pan. So a little bit of white meat, a little bit of dark meat. But that's pretty it. I mean, that's super simple, quick and painless. Now I can get down into that thigh as well, and I can pull that. The cool thing, right? The absolute cool thing about this is now everyone in my family can come through and grab what they want. But my work is done for the next day because now if I go through and slice this whole turkey down and get everything cut and everything set and ready to go, guess what? Leftovers tomorrow, pretty easy. Now I can make some sliders. I can make some turkey quesadillas and all that good stuff. So that's pretty much it, quick and painless. If you want another way to do it, you could actually take this whole breast off the breastbone and just follow that down as well. And it really goes right along the breastplate, but you could pull that whole breast off and slice it that way as well. Well, that's it. That's a pretty fast and helpful video because when you get down to it, slicing the turkey, in my opinion, just a couple easy ways to do it. And we showed you how to make some beautiful slices going sideways on it. We showed you how to take off that leg, separate that leg from the thigh, and also break down a little bit of thigh meat. And then we showed you quickly how to remove that breast from the turkey, giving you the ability to slice that breast as well. And again, like I said, I think this is great for presentation. show off this turkey when everybody comes in, and then while they're getting seated and everybody's picking their spot at the Thanksgiving table, now you can slice the turkey, really facilitating getting everybody through the buffet and getting closer to taking their Thanksgiving nap. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Just another fun, easy way to slice some turkey. And thank you, as always, for hanging out with us and cooking on our Ace This Recipe videos. Be sure to head up top to that eye. That is our information station. That'll let you in on the cutting board we're using, a little bit about gear, gadgets, and grills. And then head down into the comment section below. You'll be able to download our turkey tip sheet. We've got a great turkey tip sheet down there for you as well. That'll get you all dialed in and ready for Thanks Grilling. Then while you're down there, don't hesitate to leave us a comment. Tell us, what did you like? What would you like to see? And how can we be more helpful? You know, as always, our goal is to make you a legend in the family event circuit, right? We want to make you a legend in the backyard cooking circuit too, but this is all about those big family events, and we want to make sure they're epic for you. And then, since everyone is at your house hanging out, have them get on the Ace Hardware YouTube channel. It is time to subscribe. That way they'll be notified when all of our videos go live, and they'll be able to get a ton of helpful content from your friends at Ace Hardware. So thanks so much for joining us today. I'm Chef Jason Morse, your Ace Hardware grilling expert. We hope you have a wonderful time. Enjoy this turkey, enjoy your Thanks grilling, and we'll see you soon.